everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we're reviewing Unit 5, Activities. Activities는 things that we do. In this unit, we learned how to say, Can you play with us? 나는 바빠. I'm busy. We also learned how to say the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday는 주말이죠? It's the weekend. We learned how to ask, Can you play on Monday? 월요일에 같이 놀 수 있어? We also talked about the different classes that we have. For example, swimming class, art class, English class, the best class, and computer class. We also talked about math class and music class. We talked about things that we can do, like play video games, go outside, play the piano, take a nap, watch TV, and go shopping. We asked questions like, What does he do on the weekend? 이 친구는 주말에 뭐 하지? Without further ado, let's go! On page 38, the directions say to write and number. 대화할 때 맞는 순서로 numbering 할 거예요. Ready? If we look, we can already see number 1. Can you play with us tomorrow? 우리랑 내일 같이 놀 수 있어? So let's check play. 이 친구는 어떻게 대답하면 될까? Can you play with us tomorrow? 미안, 나 못 놀아. 나 토요일에 바빠. Number 2 goes here. 미안해. Sorry. I can't. I'm 바빠. I'm busy on Saturday. 이 친구는 어떻게 대답하면 될까? 그러면 일요일은 그때 놀 수 있어? Oh, what about Sunday? Can you play? 나 놀 수 있어. 그때는 시간 돼. Yes, I can. I'm free. 그리고 마지막. Great! See you on Sunday. Double check your spelling and let's go to part B. In part B, we're going to use part A to write the conversation. Number 1 says, Can you play with us tomorrow? Number 2 says, Sorry, I can't. I'm busy on Saturday. For numbers 3, 4, and 5, I would like you to please write your answer. Ready to check? In number 3, we need to write, Oh, what about Sunday? Can you play? Number 4 should say, Yes, I can. I'm free. Number 5 should say, Great. See you on Sunday. Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 39, the directions say, Look and circle. We can see a schedule for the week. On Monday, there's a picture of paint. On Tuesday, there's nothing. Wednesday, there's a violin. Thursday, there's a computer. And Friday, there's nothing. In number 1, it says, Can you play on Monday? 스케줄에 뭐가 있으니까 바쁘겠지? 그러면 Yes, I can or No, I can't. 바쁘니까 No, I can't. Number 2. Can you play on Thursday? 여기도 뭐가 있네. There's something here too. No, I can't. Number 3. Can you play on Friday? Yes, I can. And number 4. Can you play on Tuesday? Yes, I can. In part D, we're going to unscramble, write, and put in order. So we're going to look at the letters here, unscramble, 제자리로 놓고, write it, and put it in order. 여기 보면 we need to write it in the correct day of the week. Number 1 is done. That word is Friday. 근데 큰 힌트가 있어요. 요일들은 무조건 대문자로 시작해요. All the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they all start with a capital letter. So we know, look for the capital letter and that's how we can start. In number 2, we see a capital S, so we'll write S. S. And we also know all the words will end in day. 다 day로 끝날 거예요. 그러면 D, A, Y를 빼면 U랑 N만 마지막에 있어요. 그러면 U랑 N이 남아있죠? What day starts with an S, has a U-N-D-A-Y? Sunday. Very good. S-U-N-D-A-Y. For numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, I would like you to do it on your own and we'll check it together. Ready? Let's start with number 2, Sunday. Where does it go? Friday가 여기 있으니까 Friday 다음 날은 Saturday고 그러면 number 1은 Sunday. Very good. Number 3 should be Tuesday. Number 4 should be Thursday. Number 5, Monday. Number 6, Saturday. Number 7, Wednesday. Now let's put them in order. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Very great job. Check your spelling and let's keep going. On page 40, we are going to match. Number 1, we need to match swimming class to the picture of swimming class. Which one do you think it is? We have a computer, we have math, music, swimming class. Number 2, art class. 미술 수업이죠? 그러면 right here. For numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'd like you to do it and we'll check your answers. Ready to check? Number 3, English class. Number 4, computer class. Number 5, math class. And last, number 6, music class. In part B, we need to look and write. We're going to use the words in the box to help us match which class it is. Number 1 says, what do you do on Wednesday? Wednesday is 무슨 요일? 수요일. 맞아요. What do you do on Wednesday? 이 수업은 어떤 수업인가? I go to math class. On Monday. 너는 월요일에 뭐 해? What do you do on Monday? I go to art class. 너는 금요일에 뭐 해? What do you do on Friday? I go to swimming class. And number 4, what do you do on Thursday? I go to music class. Great job. Let's keep going. On page 41, we are going to write. If you see, this is Harry's week. 해리가 이번 주에 무엇을 하는지 정확히 볼 수 있어요. If you see, we have Monday the 15th, 월요일 15일, Tuesday the 16th, 화요일 16일, Wednesday the 17th, 수요일 17일, Thursday the 18th, 목요일 18일, Friday the 19th, 금요일 19일, Saturday the 20th, 토요일 20일, and Sunday the 21st, 일요일 21일. So, in number 1, it says, what does Harry do on Tuesday? Oh, where's Tuesday? Right here. What does he do? He goes to 무슨 수업? Math class. Very good. Number 2. What class does he do on Thursday? He goes to computer class. For numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, I would like you to do it and we'll check your answers. Let's skip to number 5. Number 5 question is a little different. It says, is he busy on Wednesday? Wednesday는 여기 있으니까 swimming class가 있어서 바쁘겠죠? 그러면 we will say, yes, he is. Don't forget, we need to write a comma after our answer. Yes, comma, 또는 no, comma. Yes, comma, he is. Very good. For numbers 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8, I would like you to do it by yourself and we'll check your answers. Ready to check? In number 3, our answer is he goes to English class. In number 4, our answer is he goes to art class. Number 5, 같이 했으니까 let's go to number 6. Is he busy on Saturday? Yes, he is. Don't forget the comma. Number 7, is he busy on Sunday? No, he isn't. 여유 시간, free day. Number 8, is he busy every day? Every day는 무슨 뜻이죠? 매일. No, he isn't. 왜죠? Because Sunday is his free day. So 매일 바쁜 거는 아니에요. Great job. Check your answers and let's move on. Page 42, the directions say to write. We're going to use the words in the box to help us say what they're doing. In number 1, we can see play video games. Number 2, practice the piano. Number 3, take a nap. Number 4, go. Wow. You need money. Go shopping. Number 5, watch TV. And number 6, play outside. In part B, we're going to look and check. Number 1, does he play video games on the weekend? 사진 보면, yes, he does. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, I would like you to do it on your own. Let's check. Number 2, does she watch TV on the weekend? No, she doesn't. She's taking a nap. Number 3, does she go shopping on the weekend? Yes, she does. And number 4, does he practice the piano on the weekend? No, he doesn't. He practices the guitar. Let's keep going. On page 43, we're going to look and write. Number 1. What does he do on the weekend? 주말에 무엇을 하나? He plays outside. Number 2. What does she do on the weekend? What does she do on the weekend? She takes a nap. Number 3. What does she do on the weekend? 주말에 뭐 하지? She plays piano. She practices the piano. Very good. For number 4, 5, and 6, I would like you to do it by yourself. Then we'll check your answers. Number 4, the question should say, what does he do on the weekend? And our answer is, he plays video games. Number 5, the question is, what does he do on the weekend? And our answer is, he goes shopping. Number 6, our question is, what does she do on the weekend? Our answer, she watches TV. Great job. Let's go to the next page. On page 44, you will do this by yourself. In part A, you need to circle the letters to spell the word. For example, in number 1, this is a picture of a drum. We'll circle D-R-U-M. Number 2 is a tree. Number 3 is draw. In part B, you're going to match the word to the picture. 할 수 있죠? I'll see you on the last page. On page 45, we are reading a story called Favorite Day. In the first picture, it says, Drew goes to his grandmother's house on Saturday. 이 친구 이름은 Drew입니다. Drew goes to his grandmother's house on Saturday. He goes by train. 할머니 댁으로 어떻게 가는 거죠? 기차 타고 가는 거죠? In the second picture, it says, his grandmother meets him at the train. Then they drive to her house. In the third picture, it says, Drew likes his grandmother's house. He sits under a big tree and plays his drum. Let's answer the questions in part D. Number 1, what does Drew do on Saturday? He goes, 어디로 가죠? To his grandmother's house. Very good. Number 2, how does Drew go to his grandmother's house? Our answer is in the first picture. Correct. He goes by train. And our last question, what does Drew do at his grandmother's house? 할머니 댁에서 무엇을 하나요? We can find the answer in the last picture. Right. He plays his drum. Awesome job today. We're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?